Jolene from RideTheWindEbikes, Taubik SOHO. So since 2023, the SOHO has gone through a few changes. Actually, I'm going to show you the last SOHO 2.0 I have. Because what we're doing in this video is we're doing a comparison. So when you're looking online and you look at the 2024 SOHO versus the 25, and they look the same in pictures, but I'm going to go through a few details that has had, that's different in them, right? Because they're not exactly the same. This is the original 2.0, 10 amp hour battery, not much of a suspension in the front, and took off. Like, this thing is quite projectile when it kicks in. Like, I'm not gonna lie. When you pedal, it goes boom. And so that is the progress. Like that's how things evolve, because Taubik is so great at listening to their dealers and their customers and saying, okay, what do we need to change? And man, did they listen and deliver with the 2024 remodeled. It's a really great size. This actually has been outselling the TL, which is the 27.5 tire. This was 26. Yes, it is primarily women who buy these bikes, but it's, you know, your 5'2" to 5'10" women that really like the SOHO, because the handlebars come in and it's a really just, it's a nice fit and it's not as intimidating because the TL is a pretty big bike. So I'm 5'3", I'm just gonna sit on it since I'm yapping about it. So this is where I like my seat because I like my legs to extend. I can adjust this no problem, but it's just a really, oh Mike, here, let's do this. It's just a really, it's your smaller frame cruiser style step through. And so what I was going on about was that they've really softened the takeoff. So this has a cadence, which means that there is a sensor in the crank. And so when it goes, it kind of pushes you forward. But this one is just a nice push as opposed to being a little bit ejected like a rocket, a little bit. No, it's not that bad. But if you drive them, like we have customers drive one after the other, they're like, oh, this is so much better. No, those ones were a good deal. They were a big sale, but you buy once, you buy right. I say this on a daily basis. Buy once, buy right. So they came up with some nice colors. They have their Robin's Egg Blue in the 2025, and they have this seat. Oh, this seat is so nice. It is so nice. So I freaking love it. But I was looking at it and I was like, there's a difference. There's a difference. The step through is lower on the 2025. So if you come closer, and this is how much I love Taubik, is because they take feedback and they apply it. So I should probably do the measurements, but I would say that's a good 2 inches. And so it's like they've got the same frame. It squares up a bit here. So that's nice and rigid, but it's got a lower step through. And you know what? It makes a freaking difference. So yeah, 2025, slightly modified frame to have a lower step through, beautiful seat, some change in colors, and that's all that I have found. Same battery, both are on sale. We always do sales. You know, we sell lots, so we can do sales and have everybody happy, but this is a wonderful step through, I don't know what size we'd call it, smaller size electric bike, and it's Taubik, so you're getting a year warranty, UL 2849 certified, of course, LG or Samsung batteries, 1 year warranty on the batteries and the charger. That's unheard of, unheard of. Best like components. So anyways, those are your, that's what I'm sharing today. So thanks for watching.